So this is the Mill Creek drainage. See if I get through it. Last time it was really sandy and a struggle. And challenge to work through this deep sand. Got through that. And this is always it's hard to turn in sand. You don't want the front end to turn too sharp, get pushed. So one technique I use, I call it the wiggle technique. So you wiggle your front tire back and forth, so it's always correcting, so it never gets pushed too far one way or the other, because by the time it starts pushing one way, you're correcting the other way. Just too deep. I'll have to walk up this. There's a firm spot here. I should be able to get going, get a little momentum, carry me through the deep stuff. All right. The wind did smooth things out. You can actually see the wind ripples in the sand. Surfing, sand surfing. Yeah, no one's at the trailhead this morning. I'm going down the Mill Creek wash sandy section. This is where it gets deep. There's little pockets of firm stuff, but oh yeah, here's the hardcore deep sand. Gotta use the wiggle technique. Keep the front end from digging in. Okay. So this fall, this wash, a lot of rain and it got all, come on, got all eroded out. lined up for this section. Come on. Almost. Then I gotta climb up this steep hill up to Washington Parkway. Be careful not to pop out on the highway in front of a vehicle. All right.